Now guys, clearly today was a very special day for AMC stock. We saw it go up 10-15% and right back down 10-15%. We ended red on the day. And there's a lot of people out there left wondering, what happened to AMC today? Is it manipulation? Are people selling off? Like, what is going on here? Because after such a strong earnings report, why would AMC stock sell off like that? Now, I realize there's already been 50, 60, 70 videos made on what happened to AMC stock today. Each one either pointing to some level of corruption or manipulation or some sort of a sell-off or short sale by hedge funds. So we're not going to take that approach to it, but we definitely do need to talk about what happened today, how you felt about the price action today, and really some of the key takeaways from the interviews with Adam Aron. So of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up everybody, I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. Alright guys, it is no surprise that the earnings report, the earnings call that Adam Aron had last night was phenomenal. It was all good news across the board. I mean, there was nothing bad that was reported during that earnings call, and we beat expectations on earnings per share. We beat revenue. So why the decline in price today? We saw it run up very nice pre-market, and then it's almost like as soon as the open came around, everybody was selling off, whether it was shorts, whether it was day traders, what's going on with it, and then we move back down. You guys know my theory on all of the corruption by now. I'm a little bit more conservative when it comes to that. But we need to talk about a couple of things here. Not necessarily why the price action was doing that, but how it made you feel. And I know that sounds a little weird, like, how do you feel about the price going up and going down? But if you can't handle 10% volatility now, why do you think that you can handle 10% volatility during a squeeze? If you don't think that the price is going to go up and down by more than 10% in a day during the short squeeze, you're incorrect. And if you can't handle a 10% pullback on a day like today, you're going to miss out on so much money during this short squeeze that you need to prepare yourself for that. I want to see every single one of you hold out as long as possible and make as much money as possible during the short squeeze. Why? It's simple, guys. If everybody folds early, we don't reach the prices that we want to see. It's not this isn't some concept or some idea where we're guaranteed 1,000 a share or 10,000 a share or 50,000 a share, or just insert whatever number you want there. We're not guaranteed that price unless we do not sell it back to the hedge funds until we reach that price. Now, a lot of people talk about supply and demand, and if the demand is there and the supply is not there, then, you know, the price is going to rise and so on and so forth, and that once the price reaches such high levels, demand will diminish. Well, AMC is different. AMC is different for a simple reason. There's guaranteed demand out there in the short shares. Because the hedge funds have shorted the stock, the demand is guaranteed regardless of the price. All right, so that's why we can see buyers at 1,000, at 5,000, at 10, whatever price you want to imagine. We have guaranteed buyers there, but only if we hold out. Okay, so please remember that. Analyze how you felt today during the trading day. If you were discouraged when you saw it up 10% and then down 5%, how that made you feel. If it made you feel like selling, ask yourself why. If it made you feel bad, ask yourself why. If it made you feel like buying more, ask yourself why. All good things, but there's a period of reflection that you need to go through right now, and especially if you want to be here during the short squeeze. If you're one of those people out there that's trying to ruin the short squeeze by day trading it, I don't know why you're watching this video. But if you're here for the short squeeze, analyze how you felt during today. So let's take a brief look back at how Adam Aron handled these interviews today, specifically the one with Cramer. All right. I thought this was excellent. Now, I'm not going to go through the full interview, but I do want to touch on a couple of things here. Adam Aron is a CEO. The dude handles himself very well in front of the mainstream media. He's always got the best intentions for AMC in mind. Not necessarily the stock price, but AMC as a company, AMC's fundamentals, AMC's balance sheet, AMC's future. He has those best interests in mind, and I like that, right? He's got AMC in mind. I've got the short squeeze in mind. So we've got a couple different things that we're looking at here, but I respect the fact that the guy is a good CEO. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. I respect the fact that the guy's a good CEO. Here's what I also really liked, and if you guys want to go back and take a look at the clip of him and Cramer talking today, it was beautiful. Why? Jim Cramer asked a couple of questions, and he said, now, and he's talking about raising extra capital and issuing additional equity in order to go out there and fund some of these projects that Adam Aron is talking about. And how if he thinks it's a good idea, basically, why would he listen to the shareholders? Why doesn't he go out there and issue capital? Blah, blah, blah. So anyway, he's talking about that, and he goes, now, there are some who would say that the AMC stock price is inflated right now. Guys, I think you've gotten, and trust me when I tell you this, you guys control hard on the internet, all right? You guys control extremely hard on the internet, and I think you've gotten to Jim Cramer a little bit. I truly do, because listen, I'll tell you right now, the price of AMC stock is inflated. Okay? It's not fundamentally valued at $30 a share. It's not even fundamentally valued at $20 a share. I'd be hard-pressed to say it's fundamentally valued at $10 a share. But Jim Cramer, the guy's been in front of the nation for how long? And he's afraid to say that he thinks that it's potentially overvalued when he gives his opinion on any and every stock out there. He has to kind of use it as a scapegoat a little bit. There are some people who think that AMC's stock price may be inflated at the moment. Yeah, okay, it's not where it's fundamentally valued at. We understand that, but that's not why any single investor is buying AMC right now. That isn't even why the institutions are adding to their holdings on AMC. Guys, institutions, the smart money, the people who hire the PhDs out there, these guys who analyze the stock and whose sole job and sole purpose within the hedge fund is to analyze the stock and make not a prediction, but make a proposal to the fund manager on whether or not they should buy that stock. If you haven't realized by now, institutions are adding to their AMC positions, their long positions, not just their short positions, their long positions. There are institutions out there who think AMC is going to go up. Is it because they think it's fundamentally valued at something greater than $30 a share? No, it's because they believe that these people who call themselves monkeys, these people who talk about eating crayons, are actually going to do what they say they're going to do. You're going to hold the stock, I'm going to hold the stock, and the hedge funds can't buy the stock back. We've actually got institutions putting their money where our mouths are and believing in us to take the stock to higher levels. So use that as just a tad bit of motivation on days like today when you see the stock price pull back, when you were really hoping for it to go up. If you don't believe in yourself, know that the smart money is starting to believe in you, and we can actually watch this stock go to levels that have been unseen before. I'm as excited as I was on day one. Guys, nothing, not a single thing has changed for me. You can go back and watch every single video that I've done on AMC. I am just as excited as I was on day one. We buy the stock, we hold the stock, and we get all of the money that the hedge funds have shorted with the stock. It is an absolutely beautiful thing. And I hope that each and every one of you are just as excited. If you need some encouragement, read the comments down below, because they're going to tell you down there exactly how they feel. And you're going to see just how bullish everybody is on AMC and just how high we think it can go. So guys, if the subscribe button is still red, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. If you want to open up an account on Webull, All you got to do is deposit $100, get a couple free stocks just for doing so. It is super simple to sign up, and Webull is a good brokerage, guys. Webull is an excellent platform to trade on. It is very easy. There's a lot of information out there on Webull, so I would suggest doing so. There are plenty of links in the description below as well. Make sure to check each and every one of those out. And ClayBro883, if you want to follow me almost anywhere, make sure to check me out there, ClayBro883. And I'm pretty sure that sums it up, guys. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.